Okay, our bars have been sitting for about an hour. I had lunch and I let them sit while I was eating lunch, and now they're solidified. And you can see this is the bar with inclusions. You see the back. You see how shiny it is. Got a good temper there. You can see how rocky that is. It's all full of almonds and cherries. A delicious combination. And here is our plain bars. All right. I don't know. I want you to look carefully, but you can see that the bars have contracted because when cocoa butter crystallizes, when it contracts. If you know from making ice cubes that when water crystallizes or freezes, it expands. It gets thicker. It gets bigger. All right, and less dense. That's why ice floats on the surface of water. But cocoa butter and most other solids, they contract when they get solid. And that's very fortunate because that allows the chocolate to be demolded very easily because as it contracts, it pulls away from the sides of the mold. So let's have a look at these bars. I'm gonna turn the camera over to the marble, all right? And let's do the demolding. Now, if everything is done correctly, we did everything right with our tempering, these should just fall out of the mold as easy as possible. So let's see. And there we go. Those are those bars, the plain bars. And let's see what our included bars look like. All right, and so our work is that's our work, and you can see we have shiny bars. They're completely glossy. They have a beautiful sheen to them. We'll take this up and I'll show you the surface of the bar. See how shiny that is? The rippled surface of the bar as well tends to make it look shinier. And so sometimes, you know, if you have excuse me, I'm out of the picture here. If you have a mold which has a lot of facets to it, the bars will in fact appear shinier. Now I'm gonna break this. Hear the snap? And see, that's our chocolate. All right, we have a good. It's very clean. There's no holes. It's the crystal structure is very fine. I'm gonna break off a piece and try it. I wish you could taste it. It's delicious. Excuse me while I eat. But now let's look at our included bars. Again, see the shiny surface in the back? Let's break it open, all right? And there you can see the big pieces of almond inside. Break it. Almonds, sour cherries, chocolate, dark chocolate. It's delicious. So that's it, bean to bar. We started with beans. We ended up with a chocolate bar. We went through the whole process. All of it you can do at home. Very simple, actually. The equipment is not expensive, as I say. Anywhere from $800 to $1,200 gets you in business. Making chocolate at home. And on a small scale, you can make chocolate to sell to, you know, on a local basis. If you want to own a shop and really produce some volume, perhaps this equipment's not the right, but it scales up easily. And really, it becomes easier and easier to get into the chocolate business as the cost of equipment goes down. And to be honest, the quality of chocolate you can make at home is as good or better than what you can buy in the stores. So out there, you know, chocolate makers out there, the companies making chocolate should use that as an inspiration to keep improving quality, because as we begin to work with chocolate and buy equipment, work at home, the competition gets greater and greater every day. So thank you very much. There'll be one more lesson, I don't know, or one more session where we'll do a milk chocolate, but we may not have time for that, so that may have to wait for another course. So if we don't, I'll say goodbye now. It's been a pleasure working with you and talking to you and showing you the bean to bar process. And I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you can go home, invest in a little equipment, and make some great chocolate at home. So take care, and thanks again.